Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. So we're all for a full day here in San Vicente. But first, we're gonna go have what, Storm? Eat. We're gonna have some breakfast. So we got Kuya Boy. Kuya Boy is here. He's right here. He's our driver, and he's gonna take us to our first stop. We're gonna have some breakfast. Then we're gonna spend the day at Long Beach, different areas. Hopefully, if weather permitting, we'll catch a good sunset this evening here at the beach. So come along with us today, guys. Let's go have some fun at the beach. Well, guys, this is where we're gonna have breakfast this morning. Aloy's Grill and Restaurant, San Vicente.
Come here.
Come on down. He's just saying hello. Good morning, dog.
Okay.
You want to sit so you can see out the window?
Here, window?
You want to sit so you can see out the window?
Yeah, here. Here na lang, kuya. You pick up. Oh,
Yeah. You two guys can sit on this side and look out the window, and then your daddy will turn around. Okay, guys. So we sit out and watch some of the bay and the boats this morning. So we have our breakfast. What do you have, Storm? Pancakes?
Yeah.
Some pancakes. Got some eggs here and some cheesy bread. And then Mommy's got, what do you call it?
Shaolong.
Xiaolong.
I'm gonna eat all the pancakes.
Vietnamese soup, I guess.
That's why.
And
That's
noodles.
why Baby Storm told me. Where are you, babe? Where are you, love? In Vietnam.
All right, guys. So we're gonna have some breakfast here by the beach, and then we're gonna head out to Long Beach. Probably several different areas, and just have a big day at the beach. So come along with us. Masarap. So after a good breakfast, guys, we're headed up to a place called 100 Steps, and entrance fee was 25 pesos per person, and of course Storm was free, and Kuya Boy is taking us up the road here. I'll call it the Rocky Road. So we'll call it the Rocky Road, and then we can check out the view of San Vicente. It's supposed to be nice. All right, we are here at 100 Steps, San Vicente, Palawan. And check out the views from around here.
Baba.
And then also, we're going to go up on the top over here. What do you think about this, Storm?
Daddy, it's, oh my gosh.
What do you think about this?
It's overlooking now.
Yeah. Okay, so
Oh,
I
my
guess
baby
that's probably where we came from. Yeah, I think right down there is where we ate breakfast.
The Long Beach.
Down there, I think that's where we ate breakfast
Baba.
this morning.
Wow, Daddy.
Oh, this is gonna make some good drone video. I'm gonna get the drone. Look at that beach there. It's almost secluded.
That's more higher than the birds.
Yeah, we're higher than the birds. Yeah, there's a butterfly. What do you think about this, Storm?
We're higher than the birds.
You think we're higher than the birds? Yes. Wow, guys, this is a beautiful view from up here.
But they can do high this. Yeah.
You up high as the birds?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, guys, this is a view. And then over here, we're gonna go up. It calls 100 steps, but I think it's not like steps. You're going up a step. It's just 100 steps over this way to a top. And we're gonna come up here. We're gonna get out this drone, and we're gonna get some beautiful. I'm sure we're gonna get some beautiful film from up here, guys. So come along with us and let's enjoy this 100 steps together, okay? Okay, Storm, you lead the way. Ah, this is where I think that's why they call it 100 steps. From there up here to this flat area, and then Daddy's gonna get out the drone, and we're gonna fly around this area.
And make sure you don't touch any of these plastic flowers.
You're the tour guide? There's someone flying a drone up here already. Yes. Wow. What a beautiful sight from up here. Wow. Daddy's gonna get out the drone. Look, there's an island over here. You see it? Okay, let's get the bird up in the air. Well guys, we reached our next destination. It is called Batu Nining. And we're on the side of a big cliff here, and we're gonna check out the scenery here, guys. You ready, Baba?
Yeah.
You ready? You go check it out. Right.
That's long beach too.
Let's go check it out. And we're
I'll
gonna head up the path.
lead the way.
Are you gonna lead the way?
Of course.
Not the baby.
Okay,
No.
but you have to give like kind of Daddy's the hand, your back hand, like that, while you lead. Okay, you're gonna lead the way, and we'll just take our time, okay?
No rush.
No rush.
Well,
And this is, Mama, you behind us?
Yeah.
Wow, there's some pretty flowers around here too.
No, it's good. It's a long beach too, love.
So this is Nato Ning,
Yeah.
and that means stone.
Stone of Ning Ning.
Stone of Ning Ning. Well, who's Ning Ning? Oh, see the stone up here? I guess that's the stone of Ning Ning. Okay.
Yeah,
It's a
there's a
butterfly.
Butterfly, yeah, I see that. Okay, so take it this is the stone.
This is the harder part.
This is the hardest part. This is the stone of Ning Ning.
Love, there is a bench there. Oh.
Yes.
Now you have to squeeze away.
Wow, Daddy, look. You can fly your drone here.
Yes, I am.
And should you try like this?
Oh, perfect, Daddy.
Should you try like this?
Yes, you can sit on the stone if you want.
I want to sit on the stone there, that big one.
Okay, just a second.
No, it's dangerous, Baba. This is baturan ni...
That's the no. That's
Here,
stone.
love, oh.
You can sit on these stones too.
I want to do that way.
Okay, you stay over here though. Stay like inside of Daddy. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. Check out the water down there, Baba, where the water's hitting the rocks. He's gonna find a drone too.
If there's a super typhoon, the water.
Those are pretty flowers. Wow, guys, what a great view. And all this is Long Beach.
San Vicente, Palawan. That beach is still part of Long Beach.
See, Long Beach goes all the way down, all the way around, all the way around that way, where the islands go. The white sand. What a view, guys. There's some places where you can sit. And then on the other side, you have a valley down there. Wow, guys, what a beautiful view. A little bit of a ride to get here. I think it was said it was like 21 kilometers from where we were at.
Hi, Daddy.
But it didn't take too long. I'm not sure what 21 kilometers, maybe 12, 13 miles. You're going by miles, so not too far away.
Love the view. It's very beautiful.
Oh, it is beautiful.
Can we go down with Mom? Can we go down?
Yeah, we can go down here. Come here, hold Daddy's hand though. Okay?
Okay.
Mama, you be careful.
You might drop the phone in.
Yeah, you'll have some shade down here.
If Mom's not careful when he threw me, we might drop it in the water.
No, the baby, Baba.
Yeah, look at the boats down there, Storm. See them? Wow, what a beautiful view. See that island way out there?
Oh, there's a chair here, love.
Beautiful, guys, beautiful.
Oh no!
I'm
you
gonna get the drone up in the air
don't. Oh no, you don't.
and get some good views from here. Well guys, we had a big day and we've seen some beautiful places here in Palawan, San Vicente, and we came back to where we were yesterday and had dinner at the Bye Bye Long Beach, up here at the Resto Bar at Apalaya, and we came out here on the beach for a little walk while the sunset goes down. It was raining for, I don't know, maybe an hour. It rained kind of hard while we were waiting for our food and eating. It was raining, but it actually feels good now. It cooled things off, and a little bit of a sunset. It's cloudy, but it's still nice. Mama and Storm are walking off to the water. But we've enjoyed our 4 days here. It was 2 days in Port Barton and then 2 days in San Vicente, and we got to see some beautiful places and places that we will return to again. Tomorrow we will be heading back to Puerto Princesa. And we'll probably do some few more beaches around there too, and we're going to look at some properties. So hopefully after baby's born in October, sometime in October, maybe the end of the year, maybe for Christmas, I don't know, or maybe the first of next year, we're going to move. We were planning on doing that this year, but we wanted to have the baby in Manila area around Margot's family. So after that, we're gonna head this way. There's some guys look like maybe going out fishing on a boat. It is beautiful here. I like this this area here. And guys, we're gonna have a full moon here. Probably, I think it's in tomorrow. No, the next day. I think in 2 days. It's going to be full moon. And I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere for a full moon. Near Puerto Princesa. We're going to do that. We're going to film the full moon come up. Let's see what these guys are doing. Maybe spear fishing? I don't know. They have spears in their hands, so I'm not sure if they're trying to get fish or maybe, I don't know, jigging or gigging or something. But they have spears. Well, what a beautiful evening, guys. With that, we're going to conclude this for today. Hope you guys are enjoying our adventures here in Palawan. We love making videos and sharing them with you guys. So if you hadn't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and give us one of those thumbs up if you would. That always helps with the algorithms, and share with someone that you may know that may like our videos of our family here in the Philippines. So guys, to the next time, we'll see you, and God bless.